So I decided to start Spark. Well, try Spark again on Monday morning. I dropped the kids off. I got a I got a notification for a Walmart that I haven't done before. So I was like, okay, that's what's up. But y'all, guess what? At this Walmart, oh my God, the cashier has to check every single item in your buggy as a Walmart Spark driver or delivery person. When I got to the self checkout, this is my first time experiencing this. So when I got to the self checkout, it gave me a message saying that, associate would have to literally visually check every single item out of my cart. So what are y'all out here doing? Are y'all out here putting y'all personal groceries inside these people's orders? And I'm like, oh my God. So I had to literally wait for someone to come over to where I was, see my phone, go through all the groceries that I just shopped for this person and check them off compared to their screen and then get the approval to continue. And then she asked me to move out the way to another register so I wouldn't be holding up everybody else to bag. But if I had been able to just do it the normal way that I've always done it, I wouldn't have been holding up nobody. I would have been able to scan the QR code at the register and bag the customer's groceries. So I might not do this Walmart, y'all. Like, y'all let me know what y'all experience has been with Walmart Spark. But this particular Walmart, I literally had to wait for her to count every single grocery item that was selected from the customer and then get her approval on her little phone that they have to continue on. Like, that is something else. Like, what? I know it's hard out here, y'all. I get it, but are people been stealing, putting their personal groceries in these orders and then getting to their car and taking it out? Like, that's the only reason, because this is the first time I've experienced this. Like, the other three orders, well, the two shopping pay orders I did, I didn't have that experience. Even with DoorDash, when I go shop, all they have to do is just see that I'm a shopper, and they don't physically look at anything. So, like, what's up? Like, I was hoping that this would be a win-win. This is the third Walmart that I've tried that has been very interesting. And I've watched several people on YouTube talk about Walmart Spark, and I haven't watched, I guess, enough videos to hear them mention that this is what they experience. So if y'all experience as a Walmart Sparks driver, going to a Walmart, getting to the self-checkout portion, and they literally having to count and visually touch and see every single grocery item that you have on your app to continue. I just thought that was very, very odd and very interesting, and it's very concerning. I would never steal like that. That's why I'm out here trying to make a living for myself. Even if it's $20 I make, that's $20 I could buy towards groceries. Like, you have to learn how to make your money stretch, but I'm not going into that tangent right now because I got to get this lady's order dropped off before she cancels on me or whatever. I get jeopardized for taking up too much time. But this was only $17, and I'm like, that was a lot. And she asked for a lot of substitutes. She asked for some fruit that she ordered pears, and I had to scan the pears, weigh the pears. It was interesting. Then she did a substitute, and then she changed that substitute because she changed her mind about the substitute, and then she added on something, and then she changed. It was a lot. I've been in there for a while, and I'm a quick shopper, even personally, because I go to grocery stores. I know where everything is. Even with the app, it tells you which aisle and section. But I'm just, but this was like kind of frustrating. It's the first one in the morning, so hopefully it gets better. I do have another app that I'm going to do later. I was just trying to do some fillers right now, just to get some walks in, get some steps in, get some exercise, because I do work from home as well. So this gives me an opportunity to get out and get some exercise, move my body other than sitting in front of a computer for hours. But I just want to know what y'all thoughts is about that. Like, that is very interesting. Like, people will find a way. People will always find a way. And it makes people who trying to earn a living kind of challenging. So I'm at this second Walmart, and it was for a curbside pickup. But unfortunately, as soon as they started bringing out, it's for three different households. One in the household, the eggs exploded. So now I'm waiting for them to reshop that order and bring it back out to me. So that's what I'm waiting on right now. As y'all can see, I'm waiting outside the Walmart. Yo, I'm just trying to find something that's a little stress free. And it's like, there's nothing stress free. Nothing.